Welcome to my new blog post 20. And in this blog post, I'm going to discuss about the data control language. So when it comes to data control language or DCL, it means that it is actually used to retrieve the stored or saved data. But what does that actually mean? It means like there are so many users that are actually utilizing in the database. So you need to set the authority, like who can actually view what and who should not view what kind of a data, and at what time they should reviewing it and at which time they should not review it. So it's more like giving permission to some other user to view the data, view the stored data. I hope so that you have understood this statement. It's quite difficult to understand, but I am positive that you will understand this. So there are basically two types of data control languages tasks that are actually utilized. First one is grant and the second one is revoke. So when I talk about grant, it is actually used to give user privileges to the database to do some kind of a work. For example, he can select the data, he can update the data, he can delete the data, he can actually execute certain kind of other statements, he can actually insert the data into the database. So these are the permissions that can be granted to certain user, and by this mean you can actually control the data flow which can be utilized, which comes under the umbrella of that user. Now, what would happen like when you don't want to provide uh, grant to certain user, but if he or she already has it, so you will utilize the revoke statement. It is actually used to take back the permission or to take back the power of selection, updation, deletion, or insertion, any kind of execution from the user. So I am positive that you have understood the concept of the data control language.